shout out to all my friends and all supporters in YouTube land, yes, and all viewers. This is Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV coming to you today with another recipe, another new creation today that I will be undertaking. Yes, on the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV. Today I will be doing, yes, pumpkin seed with cashew and almonds pork chops. Yes. So it will be a creamy sauce made with pumpkin seeds, with cashew and almonds. Yes, and sour cream. And special Indian rice and peas. Special Indian rice and peas with white beans. So that is my dish that I will be creating today in my cooking lab on the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV. So it will be pumpkin seed, cashew and almond, and yes, sour cream. And some nice pork chops and Indian rice with the red kidney beans. And those are all the ingredients that you're looking at. That's all we're working with. I'm going to blend the onions and the garlic together. Let's turn it into a puree. Part of the puree will be used for putting the rice and peas, and the rest will be to make the creamy sauce with the pumpkin seeds over there. Pumpkin seeds and cashew and raw almonds and raw cashew, and of course raw pumpkin seeds. So all of that will be blended, and that will make a creamy sauce for the pork chops. And then I will put the pork chops in the creamy sauce. Yes, that will be the final step. And then of course I will be cooking special Indian rice with red kidney beans. This is my red kidney beans and Indian rice. Yes. So you're watching the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV. I am in phase 1, part 1 of this cooking journey. Without further delay, let me get the process going. Okay, my friends, I'm going to blend the pumpkin seeds and the cashew, the almonds, with the onions and yes, garlic into a cup of olive oil. Now I'm going to add my cloves of garlic. And some onions. Actually, I'm going to put all the onions. So I just use the onions and the cloves. Save some for another day. This is a source of potassium. That's why I'm using it. Yes, instead of me taking the tablets all the time, magnesium tablets, I'm going to use a natural source of magnesium. Yes, so cashew, almonds, pumpkin seed is a very reliable source of magnesium, along with boiled spinach, yes, and one other seeds, and a few other items. So this is my first attempt to do this. I'm gonna add some sour cream into it. I forgot to all this. So the pumpkin seeds, almond seeds, and cashew puree is ready. With the sour cream, it's ready. So now I just need to get the pork chops on the stove and get the rice going and complete this dish here today in my cooking lab on the Winston Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Alright, I'm going to get the rice going, and yes, I'm also going to get the meat going all at the same time. So this is my olive oil that I work with. It's for my health. Chops, and this is for the rice. For the rice, I'm going to put some nice stuff on. Well, okay, my friends, I'm going to add some salt only on the pork chops. No other seasoning, no powder seasoning at this time. No garlic, nothing. Just sea salt. Yes. All the seasoning will be in the finishing and the sauce. Because I don't want the oil to get messy, because I'm not going to be changing the oil. Alright, so I add my garlic and my steak. Alright, so this is for the special Indian rice and peas with red kidney beans. Alright, pork chop oil is ready. It's very hot. It's ready. Alright, I'm going to add my red kidney beans. You're watching the Winston. Today is going to be cream pork chops, pumpkin seeds, puree, almond, seed, puree, and cashew with salad cream. And special rice and peas with Indian rice and red kidney beans. And you'll see this on the Winston grill cooking and the stove. Allow them to boil a little bit, and then I'll start adding the rest of the ingredients, the liquids, no water. It will be chicken broth that I'll be using to cook the special rice and peas. Alright, so we are in part 1, phase 1, part 1 of this cooking journey. So, yes, the pork chops is on the stove. Chops on the stove, and also bean started to bubble up, and so yes, I'll be adding the ingredients, the rice and the liquid, and to complete